Welcome the our channel. Today we how to log into iShares website, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.ishares.com and press enter. Wait for the iShares homepage to load completely. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you want the site to remember your login information, check the Remember Me box. Once you have filled in your credentials, click the Login button. You will be taken to your account dashboard upon successful login. If you encounter any issues, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the provided instructions to reset your password. Once your password is reset, repeat the login steps. You are now ready to navigate the iShares website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.